Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have to sale this lovely Honda CB1000R. So beautiful bike is this one. It's got a couple of nice extras on there, so straight away it's got the nice sort of Alcantara suede seat. It's got the seat cowl on there as well. It's got the awesome sounding IXIL exhaust. This one's quite a young one. It's 2018 on an 18 plate. It's one of the last of this shape, and it's an 8,500 miles. 8528 is the exact mileage. It is an ABS model. It's got loads of nice little red anodised bolts here and there in the engine, and it's also got the hugger on there as well. So loads and loads of nice little bits here and there. I think I did mention, I can't remember, but it is the ABS model. It's got the full digital display, really cool aggressive look to these bikes, and your revs count across there in the middle, so really cool bikes these. It's got the belly pan as well to sort of neaten up that bottom end, and they always sell really well, so if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.